If you want to fully control your TCL Google TV using your iPhone or Android smartphone, then I'll show you how you can use your smartphone as a remote of your TCL Smart TV. To control your TV using your smartphone, first you need to install the Google Home app, either from the Play Store or Apple's App Store. Then open the app, and if it asks for any permissions, you need to allow it. And also you need to ensure that you are connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your TV. Then press Get Started. Then choose the same Google account that you have used to log in to your TV. Press I agree. After logging in, tap on Devices from the bottom panel. And as we have logged in with the same Wi-Fi, your TV should pop up under Local Devices. You need to tap on it, and right here you will see an option to open Remote. Simply select Remote and the full remote control will open, using which you can navigate through your TV, turn its volume up and down, turn it on or off, and use Google Assistant, just to name a few. So that's how you can control your TCL Smart TV without the remote using your smartphone. Hope this was helpful. Make sure to keep an eye on our channel for more.